All right, everybody, big freaking day. We are out at Thunderhill Raceway. We are on Thunderhill West right now, standing in front of the C8. So that means another test day here at Thunderhill. The last test day was going really good, and then it wasn't. So I've been a little bit radio silent because we needed new pistons, the block needed to get treated, we changed the camshaft, changed some lifters. There was a lot of stuff that needed to be changed after kind of experiencing it and looking at the engine and deciding what was going to be the best for the long-term sustainability in this thing. It seems happy. It made 1,050 on Grom's engine dyno, which is great. Then it made 840 wheel on Jay's wheel dyno at Black Tracks, so that was great. But now we're out here slowing it down, taking it real easy. 2 days that Jay had it on the dyno, and we still are out here taking it easy. Just did my first drag pass down the straightaway. Jay is plugged in, going over everything. Pull some plugs. We're gonna keep doing this until we feel real happy about it. And then he's gonna tell me it's time to drop the hammer. So that's what this day is all about, getting this thing, getting the engine package happy, and then hopefully burning 10 GT radials here for full track drifting, where we literally have the track to ourselves. How freaking incredible is that? And then in just a couple of days, car will get loaded east. It's an exciting time. There's a lot going on. I'm a little bit nervous, slightly on edge, but hopefully we get to do some drifting today and we smoke some freaking tires, because that would be great. Ah! All right. She's doing things. First driftings with the new engine. It rips. Plenty of power. It is crazy. Naturally aspirated stuff with big cams like this, they have cam lag. So it's actually fun to drive because it has this like, wah, and then when it comes on the cam, it's just gone. So super, super cool. The balance is way better between torque and power right now. It's really responsive. Never once was I having a clutch kick. Like, there's plenty of grunt down low. So I'm really happy with all of that. Pulling some more logs and hopefully go back out and do a full lap of one whole lap of drifting, because I'm still like refraining myself. I'm like in the middle of a sweeper and I'm like, no, calm down, do some drifts, pull it in, let Jay review. So that's what he's doing, but everything's good. Going good. Woo, woo. Here we go. And that one looked pretty good, pretty good. I looked at the tires, I was like, yeah, these are fucked. But when I felt it on ball tires, I was like, dude, there's plenty. Usually the race car, when tires go like that, it's straight up, boom, rug pull, ice, like that. And that shit felt fine. Half a second, get scared, upshift third, tip in, huck. Like that shit, I'm pussyfooting. Because if I'm not pussyfooting, I'll be doing 110 coming into there, and I just don't know what the fuck this car does. It has so much grip. I huck it harder than I've hucked any car, and it still has so much side bite. It's insane. Finally, car happy. Definitely some things to improve, don't get me wrong. As far as the tune and the engine and all of that, phenomenal. Gearbox, phenomenal. Brakes, everything. Steering, like Part Shop Max, CAD Chris nailed it because I've made no adjustments and I'm already out here hucking backies. I've never had a car where you huck it as hard as possible and it has so much side grip that it like comes back. The amount that I was hucking would have spun any car 360. The craziest thing I've ever felt, crazy. Things that we need to work on, the cooling system, I think it needs some ducting to help smash some air through the radiator. Just not cooling down like it should. This thing should be able to do at least 2 laps and be like 220, and it's just not there. It's doing like 1 lap and getting there, so I'm not super pumped on that. So some things to work on, but everything else, the oil system is good. I'm just incredibly happy, man. We burnt 6 tires today, and our plan was to take it slow, take it easy, 1 step at a time, and I think we're there. The engine still sounds great. All engine health checks seem good. Jay is happy, I am happy, and we were able to get some killer footage, obviously with the Leximount hanging off the bat. That is the most insane footage of this car that I've ever seen. I can't wait to see what it looks like going backwards. That's freaking awesome. And yeah, of course, thank you to Thunderhill. We're out here again at Thunderhill West, one of the most beautiful tracks in Northern California. And just a reminder, you guys can rent this track. Like, I'm just a normal guy. I ring up Thunderhill, I check their availability, and you can go and rent yourself a racetrack, a skid pad, multiple different surfaces. So be sure to give them a call, because you have days like these and it makes you appreciate the fact that any racetrack is within a couple hours of you up here in Northern California. So thank you, Thunderhill, and thank you, everyone. Thank you, crew. Alec, Alexi, thank you, boys, for coming out. Yeah, now time to go home, maybe build a little duct for the radiator, put it in the trailer, and she's going to Atlanta in a couple of days. So here we go. The East Coast tour starts now.